Okay, hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate about my logbooks. So as you can see here, I have already built 3 apps, but today we'll only discuss about the 2 apps in the logbook. The first one is the length unit right here, and the next one is the to-do list. The length unit converter is logbook 1 and the to-do list is the logbook 2 and 3. And this app is for the coursework, and I will discuss about it uh, in another video. Okay, so first here is the logbook 1. I will open it. The name of it is length unit converter. Okay, so the tasks of this logbook are pretty simple. Uh, it is required to build an app that can convert a unit number to to another unit number. Therefore, the design of this app is simple. It's simple, as you can see. We have one edit text component here, and there are 2 drop down here, which will be used to determine the from or to unit to convert the number the user input here, like this. So let me test 3 cases for you to test if this app is working as expected. So the 3 cases are, firstly, let's take if the user enter the negative number like 1000 from meters to foot. Let's just test it out. Oh, thankfully it raised an error. Please enter a valid positive number. So the app successfully passed the first test. The second test I'm going to test is if the user enter an invalid character like invalid symbol, like hashtag, $sign. However, I already set in my source code that this edit text is numeric only, so the user won't be able to enter any invalid characters. It just only can enter the numeric characters like this. So it successfully passed the second test. The final test is to test the rest. I mean the valid characters, like this. Maybe I'll just add my height, 1 meter 78 meters to foot. Let's see what height am I in the foot measurement. I'm sorry, it should be 1 meter and 78. So 1 meter and 78 instead of 178 meters. Okay, so it is work as expected. 1 meter and 78 1 meter and 78 mean 5.8398952 foot. Okay, so I think that's the end of my logbook 1. Let's switch to the next logbook. which is the to-do app. Okay, so in this app, I will combine the work of the two logbooks, 2 and 3, in one. Well, I mean, I will explain only once for the two logbook. So this app is also has only one screen, just like the length converter app, due to the fact that the coursework don't. Sorry, I mean the logbook requirements don't ask us to develop lots of screens. So I think this screen is enough. Okay, so as you can see, there are several components that appear on screen. The label to the the big header to the list, to edit text, to enter the task title or task description, a, a button, to add task or it will add task or update task, and list of created to-do list to-do tasks. Okay, so at the moment you can see I already have one pull-up, one task which has the title of pull-up and the description is pull-up 12 reps. I will mark as completed by pressing the checkbox here. Okay, as you can see, the title right now has a line through indicator, which means this task is completed. I can toggle that completion status by by repress that checkbox. Okay. I will test the added functionality here. Upon pressing the pencil icon here. Okay, as you can see, when I press when I add when the user try to edit that, you can see the two fields, title and description, are automatically filled with the exact details of that task. And you can also see the button title is also changed to update task. Let me update it to 15 reps, and I will make it more concise. Okay, maybe do pull up update. Okay, so as you can see, the task is updated correspondingly to what I have entered, and I'll try to add new tasks as well. Task, new task. Okay, description. Okay, and I will press the add task button here. Okay, so as you can see, the new task is created successfully as it is showed at the end of the lazy column. Okay, I will. Okay, so I will retest the mark as complete or unmark it as complete. Okay, it still work. Finally, I will test the persistence of this app by clear the background running task. Okay, clear, and open it again. Okay, thankfully the data are still there, and and I will test the delete functionality as well. Maybe I delete this one, and I will test the persistent once again. Okay, it's still there. I'll delete this one as well. Okay, and when there is no task available, there will be a minimal text that display empty to-do list. I'll set the persistence one more time. Okay, so all of the functionalities are satisfied. Okay, so that's the end of my logbooks demonstration. Thank you for listening.